everyone, good morning. So, successful people see opportunity in every failure, but normal people see that in every failure there is a problem, there's no opportunity. They will see it as a problem, they will see it as a failure. So, both of them are right, but only one get rich. At yun yung successful people see that in every failure there is opportunity. Yes, hindi siya madali kasi yung failure na pagdadaanan mo hindi madali, mahirap yun. Pwede ka magkaroon ng emotional stress, physical stress kapag every time na you feel that you encounter failure sa buhay. But if you see that na sa bawat pagkakamali, bawat failure, natututo ka, meron kang pwedeng baguhin at pwedeng gawin. So, that will serve as an opportunity for us para mag-grow ka, para ma-handle mo yung sitwasyon at maging successful ka. Kasi kapag sa bawat failure natin, titignan mo lang na hindi yun opportunity, walang mangyayari. Kasi hindi lahat ng pagdadaanan mo sa mundo ay maayos, masagana. Hindi lahat. Karamihan talaga natututo tayo sa lahat ng pagkakamali, sa lahat ng failure na na-encounter natin. At napaka-importante yun kasi that makes us strong dun sa failure na pagdadaanan natin. Dun tayo nahuhubog, dun tayo binubuo sa failure na yun. Kasi kung ang na-encounter mo easy lang, walang problema, paano ka matututo? Paano ka you can do something about it na solusyonan kung walang problema, walang sitwasyon, walang cases ka ma-encounter. So it's better that you encounter failure. Kung lagi kang nag-fail, so fail fast for you to learn fast, for you to become successful fast. Kasi pag pinag-aralan mo lahat ng successful na tao, lahat yan hindi lang isang beses, hindi lang 10 beses nag-fail yan. Like yung may-ari ng KFC, diba? 1,000 plus times siyang nag-fail bago siya naging successful, because there's no overnight success. At kung ikaw na-experience mo na may overnight success, swerte mo. Pero yung learnings mo doon, how to handle that case, hindi ganun katibay yung foundation mo. So yung failure serve also as a foundation for us to become strong. Kung anong pinagdadaanan mo, kasi doon ka natututo. Hope na you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless. Basta tatandaan, both of them are correct, but one get rich, and that is the person who sees the failures as the opportunity for us to grow. Good day everyone and God bless.